So alright guys, welcome back to Epic Review Guys. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and telling you a little bit about the Tovala all-in-one smart oven where the food cooks itself. So don't go anywhere guys, I'm going to be unboxing this Tovala oven and show you guys everything that comes with it, telling you a little bit more about it right after this.
Epic Review Guys.
So alright Epic Reviewers, this Tovala all-in-one smart oven was something that I picked up after seeing the commercial on TV. It's basically like one of those home meal delivery systems, like plated, something like that. But the difference with this one is it comes with its own oven and it cooks the food for you by scanning the QR code. You can also use this actually with hundreds of grocery products you buy at the grocery store, say like frozen French fries. You can scan that QR code and it's going to cook it to perfection using 5 different cooking methods. This thing will steam, bake, broil. It's also a toaster oven, and it can also reheat food for you. So between using those basic methods of cooking, the steaming, baking, broiling, it is supposed to be able to create just the perfect, like steaks, fish, pork, everything is tender and juicy. So this is not a microwave, although it may look similar, but let's go ahead and crack it out of the box. I'll show you guys what comes with it and tell you how you can get one if you're interested. All right, whoa, Nelly. So it seems like it was packed pretty nice and pretty sturdy. It does have some accessories that came with it. So I believe this is a tray to catch runoff moisture, fat, something like that. You also have your rack and a cooking tray that comes with it. And then in your package with the cooking tray also comes your quick start guide, your complete user manual. The quick start guide is a lot smaller. Looks like it'll be quicker just in case you're hungry right now. You don't have time to read the instructions. So besides being able to cook groceries that you buy at the grocery store and scanning that QR code, there's also a food delivery package that you can get with this that will deliver either 4, 6, 8 meals to your home. Those are professionally prepared by a chef and they come with all of the food. So you have several options. You can also use this independently with either using it as a steamer, a convection oven, or a broiler. But all right, let's pop it open. I'm excited to see how the oven looks. Oh, and it also comes with a oven mitt. Oh, put it right here. Put the pepper on it. Get it, pepper, because we're cooking. So, all right, guys, swing you over a little bit so you can see it a little more clearly. There is the oven. Like I said, it does resemble a microwave, but this is not a microwave oven. Out of all the different ways it has to cook, a microwave is one of the ways it does not have. So you got your knobs here to use it independently, and then this is where the QR code is going to swipe. I'm ready to try to use this thing out to test it, see how well it cooks. And then I will come back and I will actually show you guys the meal delivery system when I get my first meal delivery, and we'll see how those are prepared, packaged, and then how easily it cooks those up. So we're going to go ahead and take this thing over to the kitchen, get it set up on the counter, and I'm going to go ahead and cook my first meal in it. Oh, it looks like they also give you a measuring cup. Not bad. Cheers. All right, guys, we got the oven cooking. Dinner's in there. You can hear when it steams and intermittently switches cooking methods. But I'm going to let you guys have a little bit of a closer look, so come on in. All right, guys, so the meal is cooking. I got to say, it smells fantastic. And I wanted to show you guys, you can actually see right on your smartphone how much time is left. Keep an eye on it, and then it will send an alert to my phone when dinner is finished cooking. So I'm going to bring that out and show you guys what it looks like as soon as it's done. So all right guys, drum roll please. Here is your final product. Try not to drop anything. So check that out. I did add the roll myself. The arugula salad came with it and the dressing, and then there is the casserole. It looks really freaking good, man. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite for you guys and then wrap this up. It's hot. Really delicious though. That is actually good. The meat, the noodles, everything seems to be cooked to perfection. I really think this could be an awesome option during these COVID times when all the restaurants are closed. It doesn't have to be something you do every night. The meals are $11.99 a piece, but it's still a far cry from what I pay on DoorDash for a delivery from a local restaurant. And with this, you don't even have to have no stranger coming to your door. So all right guys, if you want to check out the Tovala oven, I'll put a link to where you can pick one of those up underneath of this video. And I'm going to come back and show you guys more about the meal plan. We'll get into the details of those, how you scan it, exactly how it cooks. So all right, that's going to do it for me guys. I got to eat some dinner. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Tell me something you thought about the Tovala down in the comments, especially if you have one yourself. Would love to hear your experiences with it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Ring that bell so you get all the notifications when the videos go up. Give us a thumbs up if you thought this Tovala 5-way cooking smart oven is a good idea. And we'll catch you right back here next time. Peace. I'm going to eat.
Epic review, guys. Wanna watch it all?